What's up, y'all? Hey, this is Excuseless Wins. This is Marking Up 101. So on today's episode, we're gonna get straight to it. We're gonna start marking up. 3, 2, 1, record. All right, so look, with this, all right, so the first thing we're looking at is gold. Obviously, this is already marked up, but what I'm gonna do is I got another gold that's already in my watch list that's not marked up already. And this video, it's not even gonna be too long. It's probably gonna be like 2-3 minutes because it's gonna not take me a long time to explain this. So I'm gonna show y'all what I do to mark up charts. So as you can see, we on TradingView. We got XAUUSD. That's the code name for gold, right? So you got the 1 day time frame. You got the 4 hour. You know what I'm saying, which is a little more detailed. And then you got the 1 hour, right? These are three main ones that I use. So we start off on the 1 hour, right? On the 1 hour, you obviously see that since February 2nd, 2026, gold has been consolidating. And the consolidation is basically a sideways movement without any direction of where the price is gonna go up or price is gonna go down, right? So what I would do is, in this scenario, I will go right here to the left, grab a trend line, mark this high right here on a consolidation, grab another trend line, mark this low right here on a consolidation. Bam, you feel me? Hold on. Bam, you feel me? Then the lowest that gold went recently, basically clone this line. Let me see. And go right here. Now, your lines don't got to be exactly 100% straight, but you want them straight as possible. The reason that you want your line straight as possible is simply because you never know. It might, like, if you got a longer line, for instance, the longer your line is, if your line was to stretch from the 18th all the way until here, you probably would want your line to be exactly aligned with this right here, or this low, or this high, you know what I'm saying, so on and so forth. So I'll basically mark it just like that. And as we can go out a little bit. Excuse me, y'all, let me get a drink of this water right quick. Now we're on a 1 day, and we can see, if you look at any difference, there is no direct correlation with that low that was like right here. So what we basically would do is just move that up just a little bit on the 1 day time frame. The 1 day time frame is also more powerful than the 1 hour. So the higher time frames are a more solidified market structure. So you can really tell where price is going based on the higher time frames. The 1 hour is higher than the 30-minute. The 4 hours higher than the 1 hour. 1 day higher than the 4 hours. So on and so forth, right? But we did mark these significant levels. These two levels that we marked right here, these are consolidation lines. So this is where gold is going, and this is where buyers are being met by sellers. Sellers being met by buyers. Buyers being met by sellers. Sellers being met by buyers. Until we do get that breakout. So right now, gold will basically be on the watch list. Also, another thing that I will mark is this all-time high that gold had. And also, I will go back and mark the low that gold had before this all-time high, which is where the next level of strong buyers were at, just in case gold does go below these levels, right? So the reason that we marking it is so that we know when price is moving, what levels to look out for. So then I'll probably mark right there, right there, right there, right there, right? And I can do it right quick for you guys too. Bam. Bam. Hold on, baby. Come here, baby. Alrighty. Let's clone that. You know? So these are levels that gold reached. This is what sellers were at, buyers were at, sellers, buyers, buyers, sellers, buyers. Then we have that strong push towards the all-time high. And then we also were met by sellers at this level. So if gold does break past this ceiling right here, if gold, because these are like ceilings and floors. So if gold break past this ceiling right here and it goes, if it gives an indication that it's going to have a bullish movement up, it's going to go to this level and be retested, because this is where the next level of sellers are at. So it's going to have some type of correction. And if it break past that, then we don't know where price is going to go. It's just going to keep going up until it's met by another level of sellers. But basically, that's how you mark up your charts. And like I said, this is excuseless wins. We had to get wins excuselessly, and we're on a journey to turning $3,000 to $1 million, and we're gonna make it happen. Hey, be smooth, my guy or my sis.